Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix unable to load file in Google Docs. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error unable to load the file in Google Docs, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your browser. Just click on the top right side three dot. Click on the more tools. In this you need to click on the clear browsing data. After that you can see a time range. Just click and select all time. After that you need to check mark all these options. After check mark, just click on the clear data. After clicking clear data, your all history will be cleared. After that your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix unable to load file in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.